Hi, my name is John, and today we're going to talk about masking account numbers in Laserfiche Forms. And we've all been there where we need to have an account number compared to an account number on a table, but the ones on the table have leading zeros. And we don't want the user to have to enter in all those leading zeros because it can lead to errors. We have a fairly simple solution. We're going to start by creating 3 fields using the single line fields. We're going to call this one input. The next one we're going to call mask zeros. And we're actually going to make this one default to have 10 zeros. And then finally, we're going to have our masked output. Save all these. Make sure we have our tokens in there, and we do. So we're gonna want to go in here to our advanced field. We're going to insert into this a calculation. Now we know that our maximum length of our account number is going to be 10 digits, and that's why we use the 10 zeros. But in order to make our output equal 10 total numbers, even when only 4 or 5 are entered, we have to do a couple things. So the first thing we need to do is we need to concatenate a couple of items. So we're going to start with concatenate. And then we're going to figure out how many of the zeros from our mask zeros input field we need. So we're going to start with the left. So we're going to count the number of zeros. We're going to look for a token for our mask zeros. In order to count the number of zeros we need, there's a formula we're going to use, length formula. We're going to look at our input, but we also need to figure out what the difference is. So we're actually going to subtract 10, which is our total number of zeros. And then we're going to have it concatenate that to our input. And we hit done, save, and we'll preview it. You can see right now our masked output is zeros. Now, when we input our account number and hit tab, we get a masked output. Thank you. If you have any other ideas for videos, please leave them in the comments.